Are we going forward?
Yeah, we're going.
Put something on me?
You got a rope on you, brother, on the back there. What's up, everyone?
We're here and we're alive. I'm turning 25. That rhymed.
It's Pere's
I don't know
birthday.
how I feel right now.
Happy birthday, Pere.
Thank you.
We're 192 meters up, guys. He's going to be jumping off this thing down in 11 seconds. Check out the view. There we go. All right, bro. Can I have a look down here, mate? Come on out.
Where do I go?
All right, let's get one more photo before you jump. So have a look up this way. Big smiles, all right? Nice one, okay. Face that way.
That way.
Hold on there with both hands. I'm just going to face that way for us. Good.
Oh my gosh.
So right hand, just hold on there for us, man.
Right hand.
Right hand, yeah. Let's come underneath this, reach across, hold on to the other side. Yeah, good. Get both toes all the way up to the edge, step better. You go, other foot as well, all the way up to mate. There we go. Cool, so just gonna wait for my countdown, okay? So when I say go, both hands off, big jump out. All right, Pere, you good? You ready? All right, you good, Pere? 3, 2, 1, go!
No.
Okay, here you go. 3, 2, 1, go!
At the camera. Oh my God!